This video demonstrates an arthroscopic or keyhole repair of a torn rotator cuff tendon. With a small telescope inserted into the shoulder, the tear can be seen from the bottom surface and also from the top surface. Before the tendon is repaired, any spurs from the chromium is removed. Small drill holes are made in the humerus or the top of the arm bone. Special fixation devices known as anchors are inserted into these holes. These anchors have sutures attached to them. A special device with a needle is used to pass the sutures through the tendon. This process is repeated several times depending on the size of the tear. Finally, the sutures that have been passed through the tendon are placed into another anchor, which is then inserted further down the upper arm. The tendon is now reattached onto the bone and the healing process can begin.